Hello everyone. In this video, we will have a look at some of Euclid's postulates. The first postulate is a straight line may be drawn from any one point to any other point. So if I have a point, one point, and I have second point. So what it says that I can draw a straight line from this point to this point. We know line is actually a set of points. Okay, when I want to travel from point 1 to point B, whatever is the shortest distance is the straight line. That is a straight line. And what it says that any 2 points, anywhere they can be anywhere. 2 points can be anywhere. We will be able to draw a straight line. So we will have a few sets of points which join these 2 points at a shortest distance. Okay. This also somehow indicates that there is minimum one line which passes through 2 points. And we know that actually we have an axiom which says that one and only one line can pass through 2 distinct points. Though this postulate does not talk about this assumption, what it says is that there is at least one straight line which can be drawn between any 2 points. Let's look at the second one. A terminated line can be produced indefinitely. A terminated line means a line segment. In today's world, we call it a line segment. All right angles are equal to one another. So we know a right angle is a 90-degree angle. And if the two angles have the same magnitude, which is both are 90 degrees, they have to be equal. And that's also comes from our axioms which we studied in the last video. So all right angles are equal to one another. If straight lines falling on two straight lines, now what does it mean? You have learned about one line intersecting two lines, and we call it a transversal. So a transversal is falling on two straight lines. Now let's read further. Makes the interior angles on the same side. So what we are talking about here, co-interior angles. If taken together, so if we add those co-interior angles and they are less than two right angles. Less than two right angles means they are not supplementary. Because supplementary is equal to 180. And if they are not supplementary, that clearly indicates those two lines are not parallel. Because if those lines were parallel, these co-interior angles would be supplementary. We have learned that. But the lines are not parallel. Okay. Then the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, meet on the side on which the sum of angles is less than two right angles. Okay. So let's see here. So what it says is, if we have two lines and a straight line falling on these two straight lines. So there is another straight line falling on these two straight lines. We indicate with arrows that these are lines. Makes interior angles on the same side. So there are two pairs of interior angles. This is one pair of interior angles on the same side, and there is one more pair of interior angles on the same side, which is this. So let's call these as angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and 4. Then the two straight lines, if produced indefinitely, so if we produce these two straight lines indefinitely, we go on extending them, meet on the side, on that side on which the sum of angles, so these two angles, sum of these two angles, this or this, whichever one of them, is less than two right angles, is less than 180. So if this is less than 180, then these lines will meet on this side. If this is less than 180, they will meet on this side. Now if you measure these, you will find 3 plus 4 is actually greater than 180, whereas 1 plus 2 is less than 180. And that means these two lines are going to intersect somewhere on this side. That is a postulate. It is a very important postulate. Actually gives us what are the parallel lines and what are not parallel lines. So what it says that 1 and 2, if they added gives 180, both of them will be 180. And which means none of these sides they will meet each other, which means those are parallel lines. It's a very important postulate.
I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.